Hey there, just a quick vid to show you this super high-speed 12-volt fan I found. Made a little wooden stand for it, mounted it up, basically turned it into a dust fan. You want something that's going to blow you out of your shoes, this is the one to get. By the way, to hook up a 12-volt power socket to a solar panel, it's super easy. You just buy the 12-volt socket, they usually have some sort of wire or clamps on them, and then to hook that to here, just buy a extra set of MC4 cables. These are about a foot long. They usually have either a metal eyelet on the end or just bare wire. Either one will work. And then you just connect the clamps or the bare wire to the eyelets of the bare wire and plug these into the solar panel. Straight connect. Just for comparison, this is what the black plastic ones sound like.